one more time, part 2 of the speaker installation. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually start mounting screws into this mesh so it holds the speaker in, because there is no way, you know what I mean, right here for me to actually do it. And this speaker was actually a oval shaped speaker. It was this, and I'm replacing with a round speaker, so I'm just using the mesh for the support. All right, so time to go back to the kickers. So what I'm gonna do is, these speaker comes with screws, so I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm using a screw right here to actually pierce through the mesh. It's kind of tricky because I'm doing it by myself now. I had my wife helping me before. So it's tricky. So I'm gonna hold this down to the ground, that way I can have a better access to it. Okay, and see what I'm really doing. So let's do this again. The whole part of this is to actually penetrate this. So I'm not even going to use that right now, because that's kind of making what's supposed to be easy become very difficult. Yeah, it's difficult regardless. And be careful, guys, not to actually go into your speaker. I mean, I can't stress that no more. Gotta be careful not to actually go in to your speaker. Once you go there, that's it. That's the end of it. So we go down to that depth. So now I'm gonna put one of these mounting brackets that came with a speaker. You know, just gotta tweak it to your own design to where you can get it to actually do what you would like it to do. So I'm gonna use the screw gun to actually hold this for me for a minute, and so I can do this thing correctly. Okay, so right there I'm gonna run into a little little problem. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a pliers and hold this into place. I'm gonna move the speaker for now, hold it into place, and then turn it. Okay, that's it. Don't let it go all the way tight, because still gotta mount the kicker in. You know what I mean? I could go bigger than this, but for right now, this size kicker is gonna just do it for me. I don't need nothing aggressive, too aggressive. But if you want, you can always do the same concept and get what you want out of this. So now I'm running into the same issue again. So I'm gonna ask my wife to just hold this with a pliers so I can screw it in. So gotta bear with us for a minute, because once I get that one bolt in tightly where that is concerned, it's gonna give me leverage. Got it? Okay, thanks. Alright, so we got that part down. Time for number 2. So, you know what I mean, like you see, I put it on the floor. I put it on the floor because then the light will shine through and I can see exactly where the hole is that I need to actually pierce to get to what I need to get to. You know what, I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do cross from each other, that way the speaker holds in a better position, to be honest. Like I said, trial and error. It's a pain in the butt, but I need it to be done. This thing is giving me a warm time today. That side just came off. Alright, so I had to go back again one more time. Now let me take this thing out of my face, because this is not a good day for this. Yeah, CTH. Yeah, this should give me a long ass time. Cause this one keep moving. Got this tight. Won't move no more. Shut up, bitch. Oh man, we did that wrong. We did that so wrong. That's why it's moving. So, you guys see, I gotta do a little adjustment again. Completely my fault on this one. Cause the clamp, this lower latch joint, it gotta stay on top of that speaker. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. What are you bringing that down for?
Too many things.
Huh? What?
Too many things going on at once.
Why you say that? Alright, so I gotta take everything apart. Cause I did that completely wrong. That was my fault. You gotta make sure this brace is on top of the speaker when the screw goes back in, because then that's how you lock everything in place. And that's where I totally went wrong. So we got this here. That there. This last one is a pain in the ass. Because now I decided it's gonna be a little bit more difficult than it needs to be.
It's fell off.
Yeah, I see it. I just did that because it's not gonna work like that. Not that easy. Damn, one time I decided I want to video something. It's a pain in the ass. I did that side real quick. Right? This side decided it ain't gonna work. You know what? I think I know what I'm doing wrong. Just babe.
Huh?
Just hold the umbrella over us, cause I don't like getting it over. No sense you be getting away from no reason. Even for a video project. I just gotta get this in real quick and then we go to go again. Okay. So for right now we got one in. So I need to get number 2 in. That's where the problem is coming into place. And I did that wrong again. It's totally not my bad. Actually, if you want to see with me at this point, because I'm making a couple of adjustments that I should have made from the door. And I made them totally off. So this is what it should be. It should be mounted like this. Screw in first, brace on second, the back end of everything. Alright, so I'm gonna need you to pause the video for a minute until I get this completely.
No pause.
Alright, I think I can handle this.